Hey guys, it's Candy. So today I'm excited to be installing some hair from Ywigs, and this is a package containing some Burmese curly crochet hair. So they did send over 5 packs, and of course they sent over their regular goodies, the tools to assist with the braiding process, your crochet tool, your separator clip, your edge brush, and your comb. And this is the hair. Yes, as I said before, it's Burmese curly hair, 18 inches long, and the color is natural black, and we will be using it to install some miracle knots. Yes, so stay tuned. You definitely do not want to miss this one. So this is how the hair looks straight out of the pack. This is the curl pattern, and guys, we are starting off by doing, as I said before, miracle knots. First step, you separate her hair into 3 parts as if you're doing a regular braid. Then you just insert the crochet hair in between one of those 3 sections and start braiding. Now what you're braiding is the thread. Okay, so I clipped off the hair and I start to braid the hair where that thread portion in the middle of the crochet hair is, and I braid until all of the thread is braided. Then I clip off the rest of that hair and continue braiding only her hair, guys. So I'm just braiding for maybe another inch or so, and at the end of her hair I'm going to be adding a second piece of the hair, braiding only the thread. So that way, guys, no thread is showing and all of the fabulousness of the curls are on display. All right, so now that we are done, we just, release all of those curls. And in a nutshell, that's the process. So we're going to continue, guys. But again, a little bit about the hair. The hair is from Ywigs. Burmese curly is the curl pattern. The length of the hair is 18 inches, like I mentioned before, and the color is a natural black, which is like a 1B color. Now, guys, the texture of the hair mimics natural kinky curly texture. Yes, it would more or less remind me of like a type 3, of what a type 3 curly hair texture would look like. I love the fact that the curl pattern is almost so realistic that it is not uniformly defined, and so that to me makes it so much more realistic. And guys, the hair is so natural looking and it is so lightweight. I did use 4.5 of the 5 packs. So if you guys wanted to get the similar volume, of course, go ahead, use the same amount, or you could use all 5 packs. Or if you're not too big on, a lot of curls, you could use less. So what I absolutely love about this type of hair is that it has that thread in the middle, the feather crochet hair, which makes it so much easier to work with. It saves time. The hair is not loose and separated. You're not having any shedding at all. And because of that, the hair is reusable. And guys, if you're doing the miracle knots, be sure to do the feeding method, because I'm telling you, if you want to reuse the hair any at all, you are going to find that using this method is going to save your life and save your coins. Okay? Thank me later. So we're starting another braid. You saw me lay the hair in between her hair that I separated into 3 and then started braiding the thread section. Now this is something I'm doing a little bit differently. As you see me now doing, I'm adding a second piece of curl. This is before I'm even done braiding the first piece of thread portion of the hair, because I want to introduce more curls. Right? So I want for more curls to be towards the root of her hair. Her hair is on the finer side, and so having more than enough curls is very necessary in order to make the hair look full and for you to not see a lot of scalp or a lot of spacing. So I did go ahead and started to add a second piece of curl before I was done braiding the first full length of the thread. I hope you guys understand, but yeah. All right, so continuing to braid, then I'm going to pin off that piece of curl, keep braiding, and then we're all done. And then we just release the rest of the curls and continue the process. So I'm going to be showing you the final one, guys, again. After separating her hair into 3 sections, I laid a piece of the crochet hair, start braiding that thread portion of the crochet hair, and I'm going to be doing maybe an inch or so. Then I'm going to be introducing, before I even pin off the first piece of hair, I'm introducing a second piece of hair. Yes, again, because I want for more curls to be towards the top of her head, to make sure that once we are done braiding, the hair looks nice and full. All right. So you may be questioning whether or not you can get a miracle knot hairstyle if you have thinner, finer hair. You absolutely can. And especially if you're working with great quality hair, such as this Burmese curly hair from Ywigs, which is nice, full, fluffy, the hair is dense. Yes, you definitely can enjoy the privileges of getting this hairstyle even though your hair is thinner. Just be sure to be adding a little bit more curly hair towards the top and you will definitely be in business. All right, so we're finishing up the process. This is pretty much my last piece that I'm showing you guys that I'm inserting and installing, and voila, we are all done. Can we say natural hair look-alike? Can we say kinky, curly, natural texture that looks like it belongs to you from birth? Guys, this hair texture is so realistic. It's so believable. The density of the hair, everything about the hair is just giving, it's growing from my scalp. Right? So guys, I'm absolutely in love. I'm absolutely obsessed. The lightweightness, this hairstyle is going to be your perfect hairstyle for the summer months, for the simple fact that the hair is so light and airy. The perfect shoulder length that it has, that would definitely, make for a more comfortable wear, not hot and bothersome at all, and you have the liberty of styling it in so many different ways. And if ever you feel as if you do not want to feel the hair on your skin and you don't want it on your shoulders, you can absolutely pull it up into a ponytail and it would absolutely look so believable and realistic. Yes, Ywigs, you outdid yourself with this texture, one of my newest favorites, and you can tell that she's definitely feeling it also, as I'm sure you guys are. Sound out down below and let me know your opinion about this hair, and would you rock it? Yeah, until next time, all the links will be down below, both for the hair and a discount code. And guys, be sure to stay tuned for more videos. Bye.